This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to wire money. Wiring money is very, very important as a way of moving money between markets. And the best way to wire money is to initially go to your bank. They know you there, and you basically talk to a teller who will have you fill out forms depending on where your money is going, domestically or internationally. You need to have the information for the other bank at the other receiving end. What that is ABA routing numbers and things of that nature, who it's going to be going to, and what currency or denomination they want to receive the money in. If it's going internationally, say to England, it would be in pound sterling. If it's going to one of the European countries, it would be in euros. And therefore, you'd have to convert the currency from American dollars to the foreign currency. It's important to make sure that all the paperwork is together, and there's normally a fee to wire the money. It's called a wire transfer fee. Depending on the size of account that you have with your bank, they may waive that fee, but more often than not, there's a small fee for the service. This is Patrick Monroe, financial advisor, talking about how to wire money.